All right, how to make money on YouTube, your beginner's guide to monetizing your hobbies. My name is Glenn and I help entrepreneurs reinvent themselves. Okay, so let's get into it. You want to start a YouTube channel and you want to monetize your hobbies, but you don't know where to start. I have about 5 different ways, and stay to the end because I do have a bonus way that I think is the best way. I think you're going to love it. So I have some notes here, so forgive me if I look down. Number 1, you just have to start. And starting just means start creating videos. And that means that, create a channel, go to YouTube, hit create channel, then go to Canva and create yourself a banner so you can have your channel be, displaying so it looks like somebody's home. You're like decorating your house, so to speak, and add yourself a nice profile photo, and then create a name. Maybe your hobby is something that you want to monetize is running. Okay, so you might want to call it the runner's blueprint or running central. Go to ChatGPT and ask it, I'm starting a YouTube channel about running, for example. What are some ideas for a different name for a running channel? Okay, you can use ChatGPT for all sorts of things and to help you out in your YouTube channel. It's going to be great. So another thing, number two way to monetize your hobbies is you have to pick a niche. Now, my niche is a hobby. One of my hobbies is business. So my niche is actually going to be cold emails. All right, how to set up cold emails, how to write cold emails, how to get clients with cold emails, how to monetize your business, how to do pricing structures, etc. So that's going to be my niche. Your niche may be something like SMMA. Whatever it is, go ahead and pick a niche. But you don't have to pick a niche right from the start. You do want to pick a niche, but if you're just starting and you haven't really settled on anything that you are sure about, just start making videos. Don't take a year of thinking about your niche. I see that a lot. That happens a lot. People think about their niche and they say everything has to be perfect. It has to be just right for me to start making videos. It doesn't have to be that way. If you look back on people's videos, people who have hugely successful channels, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll notice that a lot of their videos were very random, very sporadic, very off the cuff, and they didn't really have a perfect idea of what their niche was going to be. So when you are picking your niche, if you know your niche, you know it for sure, great. You should really go with that niche and just run with it. But if you don't, if you have maybe 5, 6 niches that you want to go towards and that you enjoy, that you're thinking about, go ahead and start making videos about that niche. When I get to tip number 5, one of the things that is coming into tip number 5 is going to come into play, because you really, really want to start. That's really going to be important. Number 1, start. Number 2 is going to be pick a niche. Number 3, study YouTube. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, I think that you should really enjoy the platform. You should enjoy watching videos on YouTube. You should enjoy using the platform, commenting on it, watching videos, sharing videos. You should enjoy the platform that you're using if you're going to start creating videos on that platform. I think you should study people's keywords. You should study people's tags. You should study people's titles. The most important part of getting your video clicked is the thumbnail and the title, because you can make the best video in the world, but if you don't have a good thumbnail and a title, and if you can't get somebody to click on it, nobody will ever watch the video. Study YouTube. I like to use vidIQ for that. It helps with the titles, with the keywords, what kind of videos that I should make next. And it even helped me with this video. And I decided to make this video from a suggestion from vidIQ because it analyzed my channel and it helped me decide what video I should do next. It gave me a list of ideas. So I highly recommend vidIQ for that. All right. Number 4 is going to be monetize. Now, you can't monetize your hobby right from the very beginning because you don't have any viewers. Nobody's watching your videos. And you don't need 1 million subscribers and 1 million views on your videos. You can have even as little as 100 views on your video on average, 200, 500 views on videos views on your video on average, and you can start monetizing. Let's say you are doing a fitness program. Your videos are about fitness, your passion is fitness that you want to monetize on YouTube, and you have a course on fitness. Well, if you have a course, for example, a coaching program that does meal plans and exercise routines and morning routines, sleep routines, you may be selling that course for $5,000, $6,000. You don't need a whole lot of sales to make that really worthwhile. So I highly suggest that you start thinking about monetizing right away. Now, for me, for example, I'm helping entrepreneurs who want to reinvent themselves, and I'm doing that through my cold email agency. Okay, so I will be on this channel, I'll be documenting my process through cold email. But I also really believe that even though I'm creating a cold email agency and I want to document my cold email agency, I'm doing a video like this, how to monetize your passions, because right now, for me, starting my business is my passion. So that's why I'm making a video about that. So that's why I thought that this video would be relevant to that. Number 5 is consistency. Now, you've probably heard this before, but if you're not ready to make a big commitment to YouTube, I don't even suggest that you do it. You're not going to make money right out of the gate. Your first 100 videos, you should consider them practice. After that is when you just start to actually get good. Now, some people, that's not true. Some people will be good right out of the gate. That's not everybody. Everybody's not like that. It's very strange, kind of like talking to this camera and getting good at it. So consistency, reps, just like if you start going to the gym. If you go to the gym one day a week and then you come back and you say, my gosh, I don't look like Arnold Schwarzenegger the next day after going to the gym once a week. What's the matter? This gym thing doesn't work. Well, you need to be consistent. You need to study fitness. You need to pay attention to your diet. You need to get good sleep. You need to do the right exercise routines. Those are the different things that you need to do to get good at fitness. With YouTube, and to monetize YouTube, you need to study YouTube. You need to be consistent. You need to have your niche down. You need to just start at first, right? And so consistency is absolutely huge. For me, myself, I'm making a 10-year commitment to making this YouTube channel work. This is a 10-year project. So I have a lot of time. At first, these videos are maybe not going to be that good. I hope this video is good. I hope you're getting value out of this video, but hopefully my later videos will be better than my first videos. And along with consistency, I suggest that you try to make your videos at least 1% better every video. Now, I don't have the most fancy studio here with 10 different light colors in the background, but this is my second video on the channel. If you look on my first video, I think it's a lot better. I went ahead and I got a microphone. I got a light here that I'm using, which I'll play with the settings and we'll see how that'll work. But I believe that I'm at least 1% better in this video than I was the last. Hopefully my next video will be at least 1% better than this video. Okay, so if you stayed this long, I'm going to give you a bonus to growing your channel and monetizing your hobbies on YouTube. The bonus is, this is not for everybody, but if you really want to monetize, you really want to grow your channel, this is it. You want to appear on other people's podcasts. You want to start appearing on other channels talking about your hobby. What's going to happen is you're going to share that audience. People on that channel are going to see and they're going to be exposed to you, your content, your passions, your insights, your tips. And a portion of those people are going to come over to your channel and they're going to subscribe. Now, how do you go ahead and reach out to people on YouTube who you want to appear on their channel? If you're starting a channel and you have 5 subscribers, you don't want to reach out to somebody who has 10,000 subscribers. You want to reach out to people who are at your level, and so you can help each other. It's a collaborative effort. Really think about collaboration. You giving them value by giving them content and everything that you have to offer, and they actually give you value by sharing their audience with you. Those are the 5 tips to growing on YouTube. Hope you like them. See you in the next one.